Hi friends, welcome back to Keto Diet Daily. If you're short on time but still want to eat clean and low carb, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'm sharing a delicious compilation of my top 5 most loved and most viewed keto meals, all ready in under 20 minutes. These dishes are not only quick and easy, but they're healthy, packed with flavor, and 100% keto friendly. Whether you're meal prepping or just need a last-minute dinner idea, there's something here for everyone. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments below. Let's jump in and get cooking. Recipe number 1, fried eggs and spinach. A breakfast favorite that's ready in minutes and loaded with nutrients. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 TBSP olive oil, 1 cup fresh spinach, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: chili flakes or garlic powder. Instructions: heat olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Crack the eggs into the pan, season with salt and pepper, and cook until the whites are set. Push eggs to one side and toss in the spinach. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes until wilted. Plate it all up and sprinkle with chili flakes if you like a little kick. Tip: add a few slices of avocado for extra healthy fats. Recipe number 2, shrimp avocado salad. Fresh, creamy, and full of protein. Your new go-to lunch. Ingredients: 200 grams cooked shrimp, 1 ripe avocado, diced, 1 TBSP olive oil, 1 TBSP lemon juice, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, salt, pepper, and fresh parsley to taste. Instructions: in a bowl, combine shrimp, avocado, red onion, and parsley. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper, then gently toss everything together. Variation: add cherry tomatoes or cucumber for more crunch. Recipe number 3, chicken Caesar lettuce wraps. Crispy, creamy, and so satisfying with zero guilt. Ingredients: 1 cooked chicken breast, shredded, 2 TBSP Caesar dressing, 1 TBSP grated Parmesan cheese, 3 large romaine lettuce leaves, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: mix shredded chicken with Caesar dressing, Parmesan, salt, and pepper. Spoon mixture into lettuce leaves and fold like tacos. Serve immediately or pack for a quick lunch. Tip: add crispy bacon bits for extra flavor. Recipe number 4, cabbage stir fry. Fast, flavorful, and fantastic for fiber and crunch. Ingredients: 2 cups shredded cabbage, 100 grams ground beef or turkey, 1 TBSP soy sauce or coconut aminos, 1 TSP sesame oil, 1 garlic clove minced, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat sesame oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add garlic and salt for 30 seconds. Then add ground meat and cook until browned. Stir in shredded cabbage and soy sauce. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently until tender. Optional. Top with a fried egg for an extra protein punch. Recipe number 5, turkey bacon rollops. No bread, no problem, these rollops are packed with protein and flavor. Ingredients: 3 slices turkey breast, 3 slices cooked bacon, 3 slices cheddar cheese, 1 TBSP mayonnaise or cream cheese, lettuce or spinach leaves. Instructions: lay out turkey slices. Spread a thin layer of mayo or cream cheese. Add a slice of cheese, bacon, and a leaf of lettuce. Roll tightly and secure with a toothpick if needed. Perfect for lunchboxes or post-gym snacks. My friends, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these quick keto meals, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Keto Diet Daily for more delicious ideas every week. Got a favorite recipe from today's video? Comment below. I love reading your thoughts. Share this with your keto buddies and keep crushing your health goals. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay keto.